Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news as Durban City shows interest in Tashreeq Morris. We are going to talk about that. Smash a like, get your thoughts down on the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So news coming in from Kaizer Chiefs is that Durban City are interested in signing Tashreeq Morris on loan with a chance to make it permanent at the end of the season. So mine is simple here, mine is clear. And I think most of you will agree with me. I think we should just let him go. Firstly, I don't think the guy is good enough. I've said it when they signed him, and he was playing for Kaizer Chiefs. He's not good enough, and I just don't see how he gets into this team. We have a lot of strikers. We have a lot of number 9s this season. Etiosai Kotaro, Flavio Silva, Wandile Duba, Luke Bartman. So I don't see him making making it to this team. So let's just send him out on loan. Of course, it won't be easy. He still has a contract with Kaizer Chiefs, so it's not entirely up to Kaizer Chiefs. But I think Nabi and the management should sit him down and tell him, man, chances of you playing this season are almost zero. So go to Durban City, and if you play well there, you can always come back to Kaizer Chiefs. No, just send him out on loan. It will be a win-win situation for both parties. I think he will get game time at Durban City. If he performs, I don't know, maybe Chiefs can take a decision to keep him or maybe sell him, So just send him to Durban City, get them to pay a part of his salary, and at the end of the season, send him out permanently or keep him. But let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Should Kaizer Chiefs keep Tashreeq Morris, or should we send him out? Thanks for watching. I'm out.